I'm about to go in and volunteer at my daughter's school. Dropped her off and went and got a matcha, blueberry, and cereal milk. This is the front, and this is the back. It's usually super curly, so I don't really want him to lose his curls. And then keep it like right here, too long. So let's cut up these ones. Stay still. Your hair. Oh, my baby. I'll have to save it. Okay, and then we'll do. Oh, no, stay. Just a little bit right there. Okay. Yay! That's your first haircut for now. Miss Ella. We'll see how it dries and we'll see what it looks like when we get back. Good job. Let's go get Ella. Time to get Ella. One thing I love about Tampa, the beach is only 20 minutes from her house and she wanted to go. Now she's out. This is 20 minutes from the house. Beautiful.
I'm gonna put it in the bag.
What, baby?
Shell.
Wow.
Is this sharp?
That's a big shell. Yeah, don't, it might cut you. Be careful.
Wow. Rainbow.
Such good kids. We have to go because it's starting lightning and do this and right away.
Well, we're
Storm's
going to
over there.